I am Akshith. I have like 1 year plus experience as a full stack engineer. I am aware of the technologies from mean stack and one stack, and not only that, I am also aware of some of the technologies like Type ORM or Prisma ORM or or anything. So I am actually from mechanical background. I'm not from a CS stream. So I joined Crio in order to upskill myself as a. It was not like a missing sort of a thing. It was like, see, I from my childhood I liked building things, and that's what made me take mechanical. But while I was in my childhood as well, I my mother she was a graphic designer and as well as she was a web developer. So from there itself, I got some skills from my mother, and that's how I started building and designing the things, and that led to mechanical taking mechanical. But the thing was like again, I it was the COVID time, and I wanted to explore some more things in this background, CS background. So I started cloning the websites as I started cloning them, and then after that I got aware of full stack development, and there I got to know that there is something called as full stack. So and then later on I started building projects, and then I applied for an internship. Then I got a job. It was just all of a sudden. It was not like planned. So as I said, that I am actually from a mechanical background. There was somewhere like I felt that I'm not giving much of myself because I directly jumped into web development, not learning the basics or maybe like DSA or maybe like the algorithms and all such things. But and also I was also not aware of much of the topic on network. So that altogether actually makes a full stack engineer, not just a web developer. So that is the reason I wanted to upskill myself. After my previous company, I was searching for some jobs, but it was taking some time. The applications were not moving forward. So that's the time I thought that I can take this time as a time for me to upskill myself. So I was searching for them. But then later on, it's not only me, it was my father as well. He showed me Cryo's ad somewhere. So that is how we got to know Crio, and then we contacted Crio for the program. As soon as I joined the program, there was a curriculum plan for me, that it was prepared for me so that I can not only understand, I can also get to know the things in a procedural manner, which is how we have to learn the things. So that was one thing, and my goal was just to be completing the tasks on time. And not only that, I was also exploring the other stuff as well on the parallel side. So yeah, those were my points. So I'd like to share that Cryo is a platform where we can get connect with our peers and mentors as well, who are really much experienced in their domains. So being talked to them, I mean, whenever we talk to an experienced person, they come up with some great ideas and solutions, because they come from our level itself, so they can understand us, they can answer our things better, coming down to our level, and they can answer that. That's what is the benefit. Well, in the terms of the tasks and all, I thought the curriculum was a little too much for me. Like the level was so high that I had to prepare before what is being taught in the sessions. But that eventually was an advantage for me to understand the things better, because that also helped me in the tasks as well, completing the task. My one of the DSA mentor, he was Ashish. He is a fun guy. He can teach DSA in a better manner, and we also had a full stack module. I don't remember the sir's name, but he was also a great guy. He know how to talk to the students, and one of my I mean, in Crio, we'll have these career counseling sessions. So, in that, I came across one of my mentor for career counseling. So he was really a great guy. His name was I don't, but yeah, he was a guy from Amazon. He knows how to understand me. He has some experience in that domains as well. So yeah, these were some of my mentors who I am really grateful for. And when it comes to CSM, Shalini was my CSM. She was a really great manager, I can say. She was handling all my sessions and my modules and everything with respect to curriculum. And next was my placement manager, Anup. Anup is really a great guy. He is always available. He used to take care of almost every company's interview with me, and he used to call me every time after the interview, like how was it and how did you deal with it. So these were some of the people I can. After upskilling, I can understand the things better way. These are the same things which I used to do before, but after upskilling, I can see the things in a better way because I have some more knowledge to tackle the things, and I know what will happen, what when will happen, and so I can see like the future scope of any code or maybe a module or any functionality which we are working on. So that actually is one of the skill as a developer I have gained from it. What I'd like to convey is that just be patient. There is no such thing as hurry burry and completing the things like that. If you do such things, it is not good at all because you will eventually miss it. In the starting, it will be a great adrenaline rush, but no, it is not like that. We miss some of the things if we are going like that. Just go with a normal pace. Just be patient with yourself and the tasks as well. Just raise a chat if you are having any issues in between. It can be with respect to your tasks, it can be with respect to your curriculum or anything. You can simply ping your PCS or anyone. They are so gentle to answer. They can understand us. It's not like they cannot do anything. We are in their mind always. So that is one of the great things.